This video is brought to you by Insta360. And this whole video was shot on the Insta360 GO 3S.
Every day starts the same. A morning run. It's my way of waking up, clearing my head, and setting the tone for the day. The neighborhood feels different at this hour. Quiet, peaceful, just me, my shoes, and the rhythm of the run. Honestly, it's my favorite part of the day. It's not just about exercise. It's about building consistency and making time for myself before the world wakes up. There's something so grounding about starting the day with movement and fresh air. It reminds me to focus on progress, not perfection. After the run, I get ready. Nothing fancy, just freshening up and preparing for whatever's ahead. I like to keep things simple. Lay out my clothes, grab what I need, and head out the door. Efficiency is key when there's so much to do. These small routines help me stay focused and productive. It's all part of the process setting up my day for success. Rotating my tires. It's one of those tasks that doesn't take too long, but makes a big difference. I like the satisfaction of working on my car in the quiet of the garage. There's something therapeutic about it, step by step, wheel by wheel. Everything feels in my control. These little acts of maintenance remind me how important it is to take care of things I rely on every day. It's a small investment of time that keeps everything running smoothly, both for my car and my peace of mind. And let's be honest, there's a special kind of pride in doing it yourself. Now, I'd burn up so much time doing everything by myself, so after the garage session, it's time to treat the car to a little spa day. Drive-through car washes are fast, easy, and oddly satisfying. And I know, it could scratch up your Tesla. And it has. But I figured convenience was more important to me this time. There's something mesmerizing about the colors and the motion. It's like the car is getting its own little adventure. Watching the soap swirl and the brushes dance across the windows is oddly calming. It's one of those simple pleasures that reminds me to find joy in the small moments. Plus, it's nice to drive out with a sparkling clean car ready to take on the rest of the day. It's a quick reset, not just for the car, but for me too. Next stop, lunch with Ben. He's one of those friends who makes even a casual meal feel like a big event. We catch up, talk about life, work, and of course, food. It's nice to slow down for a bit in the middle of a busy day. Conversations like these remind me why it's important to stay connected, even when life gets busy. Ben always has a way of putting things into perspective, whether it's through a good laugh or some solid advice. Sharing a meal like this is a reminder that taking time for relationships is just as important as ticking things off a to-do list. After lunch, it's time to squeeze in a little bit of editing. Saturdays are my days for creativity, and today it's a mix of editing, planning, and keeping the ideas flowing. The creative process can be chaotic, but it's also where the magic happens. Sometimes it feels like the ideas come quickly, and other times it takes a while to find the spark. And either way, it's all part of the process. I try to remind myself that even the small steps forward are still progress. This workspace is where I spend some of my focused hours. It's not just about work, it's about building something meaningful, one piece at a time. Dinner tonight is homemade, simple but satisfying. There's something that I love about cooking at home. It's a small way to reset and recharge after a busy day, and plus, nothing beats the taste of something you made yourself. The act of cooking slows everything down, from chopping vegetables to hearing the sizzle of a pan. It's a way of being present. It's not about being fancy or perfect. It's about nourishing yourself and taking moments to enjoy the fruits of your labor. And by the time I sit down to eat, I feel like I've wrapped up the day on a high note. And at the end of the day, I wind down by unplugging and getting ready for some rest. These moments before bed are a chance to reflect, reset, and recharge. It's time to let go of the busyness of the day and prepare for whatever tomorrow brings. There's something peaceful about knowing you've done your best, and now it's time to pause. Rest is as much part of progress as action. And I make sure to embrace it fully. Lights out, and here's to another day ahead. Hey, I hope that you enjoyed watching that. I had a lot of fun putting that together. And obviously, I enjoyed eating good food. But I wanted to kind of just leave you with something real quick. There's a Black Friday deal going on right now. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday deal. The first 5 people that purchase an Insta360 GO 3S using the link in the description is my affiliate link. You'll get 10% off and you'll receive a free gift. So the first 5 people to purchase through there get 10% off and get a free gift from Insta360. So thank you, Insta360, for doing that for us. And also, I want to leave you with a couple of thoughts and benefits about shooting with the Insta360 GO 3S, is that it's so small. I could obviously put it everywhere, but I forgot that I even had it with me when I would set it on the counter or on the table or mount it anywhere that I could be filming with. I just forgot that it was there because it's so tiny. And it's easier with that to be a little more natural when you're filming with it. And then you can just have those natural conversations with people. But also, I forgot to mention that on the back side of the Insta360 GO 3S, just the little camera piece, there's a magnet. You can actually just attach that via magnet to anywhere that takes magnets and mount those and get those creative shots on there. I'm telling you, just the quality, the 4K resolution, and the size of the camera just make it really awesome to shoot with. So if you found value in this video, please let me know by hitting like and commenting below. What was your favorite part? What would you do with the Insta360 GO 3S? And also, if you want to subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate that. I make a lot of videos like the one that you just saw. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.